next time, let us not require them to make a book anyway. Yeah,
I agree.
It's useless.
Yeah, I agree.
So we should revise the rules and regulations.
Here and so
Let's go.
we're still have some competition.
Oh, we're not getting the books first.
This is my vlog.
Hello.
Can you follow my vlog?
Yes, sure.
We are all math teachers here. Yes. And we're judging the math competition with some funny students. I don't know. I'm not sure if my students will not get nervous or anything, but
First time.
yes.
It's okay. Let them experience what they experienced before.
It's raining. It's still raining outside.
Want to take picture?
Very good.
I think I have already signed them.
No, this is new.
Ah, this is new. Sir, are you okay?
No, I don't have any problem.
Okay.
I don't have any problem.
That's good to hear.
I don't have any problem. I'm not scared of anything.
All right. That's good.
When you get to my school, I will tell you that. I'm not scared.
You sign her already?
These are for kids. These are for kids.
This for the students. So they will
Yeah.
make it to the judges. For the judges.
It's over here.
Oh my time.
Diyan kayo mo yung project nilang science project na paano nila i-apply sa bulan. O ano ba?
I'm with the lowest. I taught 8 years in the project. Alam mo kasi?
How long have you been here, sir?
10 years.
10 years. That's a good number.
It's not a good number because I'm getting old. So
This is my time, sir.
no, why should I speak in Thai?
ครับไม่เป็นไรลงพอเราลง
Everyone teacher out there.
ครับ5 1 2 3 4 5 อันนี้6 teacher I said full name oh number
Together at the same time, we did about 200,000 bucks. Okay, I'm gonna go 100,000. And it's not yet sure. Upon the food development.
But most of them.
So if you fail, you lost 200,000.
You have to take a risk. I'm not an education graduate. I am an accounting graduate, a management accounting graduate. So this is not my line. It's still raining. We cannot start.
number 9
Angelo.
Okay.
This is Joy.
Sorry, I got brain on.
So we're going to start now. The boys are still fighting with how much score to give for each school.
To get it done.
Yeah, because we cannot start it if we're gonna stay there and fight. So, Sawadee Kha. So let's get inside. What's the number? We are tabulating the scores. Serious kayo sisipit na. Everybody's busy. We're going to take photo. Hi. Actually, this one is video.
This is a picture.
It's a video. We are done with our competition and now we are here to eat dinner. We are at the Blue Hotel and now you have to check this place because it's so nice. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, you can see that one. That river. That river is Mekong River. Mekong River is the biggest, one of the biggest river in the world, and you know that the other side of this river is Laos, right? It is Laos. So update nga pala guys dun sa competition namin. Our kids got 7th place out of 19 schools, right? So here, it's so nice, right? We are facing the river. Look at that river. That river is so huge, so big, it's so wide, right? Yes. So this
11 to 2.
this hotel is called Bar Blue.
Oh, they have signature.
This is Teacher Popsy.
Hello.
Popsy's cool. Subscribe. Okay. Okay, so we are done with our competition. They got the 4th place for the science project. I've got the 7th place, and Popsy, you got 1st. Gina is 1st. Is Gina 1st? We don't know. I think this one is okay. This one is better. Oops. Yeah, so now we are here. We're going to eat dinner. We're going to eat dinner and what's up?
Water.
Yeah, water is fine. Nagtipid me. Yeah, so Thailand, and a fact is Thailand and Laos are just neighbors. You can just swim. You can just swim in that river. If you can survive, and you can go to the other side of this river, then you will be stepping on the Laos country land. Make sure that when you get there, you have to bring your passport. Okay. So, I have been teaching here in Thailand for almost 7 years now. And Chris, how long have you been here? 6. And that is the winner. You know that one already. He has been here for 17 years. 17 years. Right, 17 years. That's a very long time. That's why he's leaving. He's leaving for Philippines for good. He's going to marry someone in there. It's our own thing. Yeah, see. He's not listening. Let's see. I don't understand him. He's talking foreign stuff. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now so that you can see more of our activities here in Thailand. We're going home. Bye bye. We're going to the other hotel, which is the best hotel in town. So, Popsy is still taking a video of me, and we are at Blue Hotel. Kena? Kena? Uy! Ayabo. This hotel is way better than our hotel.
Dahil naman, kung takong pila ng per night, no? Natuto na lang sa book. Pagkakot. Pagkakot ko. Pero naman na sa website ko rin naman.
Tayapa tour. They also have a tour.
Chota ka tayo.
Saan kayo nag-hotel? Saan kayo nag-hotel? Ali, Chris.
Amo na yung mga cars.
So this is our hotel for now. Good morning. We're heading home. Yes, this one's better. Huh? Oh yeah. You took like a professional photographer. I'm not
Because this one, Kristen.
Yes, I
it's
see.
not. The ratio is,
Yeah.
is bigger.
It's
this
not.
Is, yeah, I see.
So it's not nice. So you take a photo, it should be something.
Yeah, there's something.
No.
Over there, there's
Okay, let's go.
You didn't include. Okay.
Teacher Nine. Here, Teacher Nine. Over here. No? Yeah.